Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the best products to solve your everyday hair dilemmas. Today, we're diving into the world of scrunchy hair ties. Are you tired of hair ties that snag and break your hair, leaving it damaged and lifeless? Well, fret not because we've got you covered. We've rounded up the top 5 scrunchy hair ties on the market to keep your hair looking fabulous while also being gentle on your locks. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. At number 1 position, we have Goody Hair Scrunchie. Elevate your hair game with the Goody Hair Scrunchie. Crafted from high-quality materials, this scrunchie is designed to provide maximum comfort and hold without damaging your hair. Key features: the Goody Hair Scrunchie boasts a durable elastic band that ensures a secure hold without pulling or tugging on your strands. Its soft fabric gently hugs your hair, preventing creases and minimizing breakage. Benefits and usage: say goodbye to ponytail headaches and hello to effortless styling. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or a messy bun, this scrunchie effortlessly elevates any hairstyle while keeping your hair damage-free. Usability: suitable for all hair types and textures, the Goody Hair Scrunchie is perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Its versatile design adds a pop of color and style to any outfit, making it a must-have accessory in your hair care arsenal. Durability: rest assured this scrunchie is built to last. From morning workouts to late-night dance parties, the Goody Hair Scrunchie stays in place, providing long-lasting hold and comfort. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Scrunchie Scrunchies, hair ties. Say hello to the Scrunchie Scrunchies. Hair ties, your new go-to for effortless hairstyling. Crafted from premium materials, these scrunchies offer superior hold and comfort for all-day wear. Key features: with a variety of vibrant colors and patterns to choose from. The Scrunchie Scrunchies hair ties add a playful touch to any hairstyle. Plus, their gentle elastic bands ensure a secure hold without causing damage to your hair. Benefits and usage: whether you're running errands or hitting the gym, these scrunchies keep your hair stylishly in place while minimizing breakage and creases. Simply wrap them around your hair for an instant upgrade to your look. Usability: perfect for both adults and kids, the Scrunchie Scrunchies hair ties are versatile enough to complement any outfit or occasion. From casual weekends to formal events, these scrunchies are a must-have accessory for every hair type. Durability: built to withstand daily wear and tear, these scrunchies retain their shape and elasticity over time. No more worrying about stretched-out bands or frayed edges. The Scrunchie Scrunchies hair ties are here to stay. The number 3 position is held by Conair Scrunchie hair ties. Elevate your hair game with the Conair Scrunchie hair ties. Designed for maximum comfort and style, these scrunchies are a game changer for your hair routine. Key features: crafted from ultra-soft fabric, the Conair Scrunchie hair ties provide a gentle yet secure hold for all-day wear. Their elastic bands offer superior elasticity, ensuring a snug fit without pulling or snagging your hair. Benefits and usage: whether you're rocking a sleek high ponytail or a chic low bun, these scrunchies add a touch of flair to any hairstyle. Plus, their lightweight design makes them perfect for on-the-go styling. Usability: suitable for all hair types and textures, the Conair Scrunchie hair ties are a versatile accessory for any occasion. Whether you're lounging at home or attending a formal event, these scrunchies have got you covered. Durability: rest assured, these scrunchies are built to last. Made with high-quality materials, they withstand daily wear and tear, retaining their shape and elasticity for long-lasting use. Next at number 4, we have Claire's Velvet Hair Scrunchie. Get ready to glam up your hair game with the Claire's Velvet Hair Scrunchie. Crafted from luxurious velvet fabric, this scrunchie adds a touch of elegance to any hairstyle. Key features: the Claire's Velvet Hair Scrunchie features a plush velvet exterior that feels soft against your hair and skin. Its sturdy elastic band offers a secure hold without causing discomfort or breakage. Benefits and usage: whether you're rocking a retro half-up, half-down style or a sophisticated top knot, this scrunchie adds a touch of sophistication to any look. Plus, its rich velvet texture elevates your outfit for any occasion. Usability: Perfect for both casual and formal wear, the Claire's Velvet Hair Scrunchie is a versatile accessory that complements any outfit. Simply slip it on for instant style and sophistication. Durability. Made with premium materials, this scrunchie is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Say goodbye to flimsy hair ties. The Claire's Velvet Hair Scrunchie is here to stay. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Amscan Scrunchie's hair tie. Say hello to the Amscan Scrunchie's hair tie, your new favorite accessory for effortless styling. Made with high-quality materials, these scrunchies offer a stylish solution to all your hair woes. Key features. The Amscan Scrunchie's hair tie features a durable elastic band that provides a secure hold without pulling or tugging on your hair. Its soft fabric ensures maximum comfort for all-day wear. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a messy bun or a sleek low ponytail, these scrunchies keep your hair in place while adding a pop of color to your look. Plus, their lightweight design makes them perfect for on-the-go styling. Usability. Suitable for all hair types and textures, the Amscan Scrunchie's hair tie is a versatile accessory for any occasion. Whether you're lounging at home or hitting the town, these scrunchies have got you covered. Durability. Built to last, these scrunchies withstand daily wear and tear, retaining their shape and elasticity over time. No more dealing with stretched-out bands or frayed edges. The Amscan Scrunchie's hair tie is a reliable choice for all your styling needs. That's all for today. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 scrunchie hair ties to revolutionize your hair game. Whether you're looking for comfort, style, or durability, these scrunchies have it all. Say goodbye to hair tie headaches and hello to effortless styling with these must-have accessories. Which scrunchie are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.